How to increase internet speed in iPhone. Let's get started. First up, reboot your iPhone. Launch your control center. At the top right, you're gonna find the power icon. Click on that. With that, your phone will turn off. Wait for a few minutes and then again power on your phone. If press restart often clears up background glitches. Next, tweak your Wi-Fi settings. Open settings. Navigate to the option Wi-Fi. Then the info icon next to your network. Turn off low data mode. Tap forget this network and reconnect by entering your password. This ensures you pull in any new router updates. Now disable background app refresh. For that, head back, navigate to the option general. Click on the option background app refresh and switch it off. In case you are using VPN or proxy, turn it off. Go to settings, VPN, and disable any active connections. VPN routing can introduce lag. Next, update iOS. For that, head back, navigate to the option General, click on the option Software Update. If any updates are available, just update your iOS to its latest version. Next, reset your network settings. For that, head back. Scroll down and click on the option Transfer or Reset iPhone. Click on Reset Network Settings and go through the process. You'll need to rejoin your Wi-Fi networks, but it clears any corrupted configurations. Next up, clear Safari cache. For that, head back. Scroll all the way down and navigate to the option Apps. From the list of apps, find Safari and launch it. Now scrolling down, you're gonna find the option Clear History and Website Data. Click on that. Checking for the option All History. Check in for the option All Profiles and enable for the option Close All Tabs. Then click on Clear History. That's it. Simple steps to speed up your iPhone's internet. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.